Welcome. Today, we are going to master negative exponents in fractions. Specifically, we will look at how they move between the numerator and the denominator. Let's start with the fundamental rule. A negative exponent is an instruction to take the reciprocal. Simply put, if you see a base with a negative exponent, it wants to be on the other side of the fraction line. Once it moves, the exponent becomes positive. If you have a negative exponent in the numerator, or top part of the fraction, you must move the entire term to the denominator, or bottom part. Notice how 3 to the power of negative 2 moves down to become 3 to the power of positive 2. The same logic applies in reverse. If the negative exponent is trapped in the denominator, you move it up to the numerator. 1 divided by 4 to the power of negative 2 becomes 4 to the power of positive 2 over 1. Think of the negative sign as a one-way ticket for an elevator. The term is unhappy on its current floor. It uses its negative ticket to travel to the other floor. Once it arrives, the ticket is used up, and the exponent becomes positive and happy. Often, you will have to swap positions simultaneously. Here, x to the negative 2 moves down, and y to the negative 3 moves up. They essentially trade places to become positive. Let's try this with numbers. We have 2 to the power of negative 3 over 5 to the power of negative 2. We swap them. 5 squared goes up, 2 cubed goes down. Finally, we simplify to get 25 over 8. When working with variables, be careful. Only move the terms that have negative exponents. In this example, b cubed is already positive, so it stays exactly where it is. Only A and C move. Watch out for these common traps. First, remember to actually change the sign to positive after moving the term. Second, never move a term that is already positive. If it's positive, it stays put. To wrap up, negative exponents mean reciprocal. Move terms across the fraction line to change their sign. Make sure to only move the negatives and always change them to positive once they have moved.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.